Hey guys, it's Malika and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to make a super duper easy DIY with the help of Popsicle, or you can say that ice cream sticks. Before that, please it just take a few seconds to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe it if you have not, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. I'm sure you guys are going to love this video. If you loved it, please give it a big thumbs up. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and thanks for watching it, and bye bye, take care, stay safe, and see you in the next week.